How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine, watching the videos and completing your work. So children, here is our computer book, IT Planet, my Bits and Bytes, Computer Series 3. I welcome you all to class 3 computers. Children, as you know, in the previous video, we were doing chapter 7, that is logo. Let's start logo. Children, in this chapter, we were reading about logo. As we know, logo is a program which is used to draw shapes and figures. That is why it is known as language of graphics oriented. So children, let us start the chapter. So children, this is chapter 7. Let us start logo. We had done first page of this chapter. Let us revise. So children, here if you see L for language, L for language, L for language, O for off, G for graphic oriented means towards. So children, language of graphics oriented, that means this language, it is a computer language which is used to draw shapes and figures. So this language is oriented towards the graphics, and graphic means shapes and figure. If you want to draw shapes and figure, you use this language. So children, as we know, logo stands for language of graphic oriented. The full form of logo is language, O for off, G for graphics, and O for oriented. Is a language, a programming language that is used to draw figure, calculate, which is used to draw figures and calculate numbers and print words by giving simple commands. So children, till now we were using mouse, as I told you in the previous video. Till now we were using mouse, and using these the mouse, children, we used to give command to the computer, or we used to work on a computer. But here in this language, we will give command using the keyboard. That means we have to learn the command and we will type the command using the keyboard. And you can draw different shapes and figures on the computer screen with the help of logo. If you want to draw different shapes and figure, you will use this language. So this is what we had studied in the previous video. And next topic is logo turtle. Children, logo turtle is a triangular box. ये एक triangular box है जिसको हम लोगो कहते हैं, या फिर जिसको हम लोगो टर्टल कहते हैं. यहाँ पे नीचे टर्टल बना हुआ, तो यहाँ पे टर्टल के शेप से कुछ भी नहीं है, या टर्टल जैसा ये नहीं दिखता, लेकिन फिर भी हम इसको टर्टल कहते हैं. इट इज़ जस्ट लाइक अ कर्सर. जैसा कर्सर हम यूज़ करते हैं वैसे हम इसको भी यूज़ करते हैं. एंड लोगो यूजेस टर्टल टू ड्रॉ फिगर्स एंड लाइन्स ऑन द स्क्रीन. जब हमको लाइन्स ड्रॉ करनी होती है, फिगर्स ड्रॉ करना होता है, तो वी यूज़ दिस ट्राइंगुलर शेप figure only, and it is known as turtle. And children, if you look at this picture, I had told in the previous video also, the upper conical pointed part is called head. ऊपर वाले pointed part को हम head कहते हैं, नीचे वाले broad part को हम tail कहते हैं. So the printed end of the turtle is called head, and the wider end of the turtle is called its tail. ठीक है, तो हम pointed part को head कहते हैं और हम broader part को tail कहते हैं. Then turtle can move right, left, forward and backward on our commands or instructions. So as we give the command, it can move in all the 4 directions: forward, backward, right and left. So children, it was specially designed in 19, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, it is given, it was specially designed in 1967, and it was designed to draw figures and shapes. Then children, here we have starting logo. We already know, for starting logo, once again we have to go to the start button. You will click on start button, and then you will click on all program, and then you will click on MSW logo. So you will have all the program on the screen. There will be list of programs in which all those programs will be displayed which are there in your computer. So if it is installed, then only it will be seen in all program, and from there you can click on MS logo and the screen will be in front of you. So the screen looks somewhat like this. This is the screen of a logo. नाउ चिल्ड्रन हियर यू कैन सी द स्क्रीन इज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स. जो स्क्रीन आपकी है वो दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड है. फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द स्क्रीन इज द मेन स्क्रीन. फर्स्ट पार्ट को हम मेन स्क्रीन कहते हैं एंड द सेकेंड पार्ट इज नोन एज कमांडर स्क्रीन. और सेकेंड पार्ट को हम कमांडर स्क्रीन कहते हैं. सो चिल्ड्रन in the screen we can see here is the screen of the logo and you can see the upper part of the screen. This part is called main screen and below that we have commander screen and the commander screen is further divided into two. कमांडर स्क्रीन दो अलग अलग में स्क्रीन में डिवाइडेड, दैट इज रिकॉल लिस्ट बॉक्स एंड द कमांड इनपुट बॉक्स. सो यहाँ पे ये जो है, यहाँ पे जो कमांड्स है वो इट गेट्स रिकॉर्डेड व्हेन वी टाइप इट इन द कमांड इनपुट बॉक्स. जब हम कमांड इनपुट बॉक्स में एक एक करके कमांड्स को देते हैं तो वो रिकॉर्ड लिस्ट में जा करके यानी कमांड रिकॉल लिस्ट में जा करके सेव हो जाता है. सो दिस इज़ हाउ वी enter the command in the logo. So I have already discussed in online class also. I hope you all have understood. The screen of this logo is mainly divided into two parts. One is main screen, एक को हम main screen कहते हैं and the other one is called commander screen. Now children, main screen में we have turtle. This is turtle and the area where the turtle is found at first when we start the program or language is called home of the turtle. तो ये एरिया जहाँ पे ये होता है एकदम बिगिनिंग ऑफ द प्रोग्राम, दैट पार्ट ऑफ द एरिया इज कॉल्ड, उस पार्ट को हम क्या कहते हैं, उस पार्ट को हम होम ऑफ द टर्टल कहते हैं. एंड द सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ द कंप्यूटर इज कमांडर विंडो. हियर वी हैव टू पार्ट्स, वन इज रिकॉल लिस्ट बॉक्स एंड द कमांड इनपुट बॉक्स. जब हम कमांड इनपुट बॉक्स में कमांड को टाइप करते हैं वो क्योंकि वी कैन टाइप ओनली वन कमांड एट अ टाइम इन कमांड इनपुट बॉक्स, सो इट गेट्स स्टोर्ड या रिकॉर्डेड इन द रिकॉल बॉक्स वन बाय वन. सो इन दिस वे वी गिव द command. Now you can see in the picture the logo screen is divided into two parts, main screen and commander window. So logo window is divided into two parts, that is main part and the main screen and the commander window. The main screen, it is the graphic area of the window where the figures are shown. Means वो graphic part है हमारे विंडो का जहाँ पे कि जितने भी शेप्स है या फिगर्स है वो हमें दिखाई देंगे. तो it is the graphic area of the window where the figures are shown. This is the graphic area of the window where the figures are shown. Now commander window. This area of the window is used to write the commands that will draw shapes and figure. This part of the window is that part which is used to type the commands. So commander window, the area of the window is used to write the commands that will draw shapes and figure. So यहाँ पे हम उन commands को लिख सकते हैं जो कि shapes और figure को draw करते हैं. The commander window is again divided into two parts. जो commander window है एक बार फिर दो बार divided है, recall list box and the command input box. इसे हम कहते हैं recall list box और command input box. So a recall list box where whatever is written in command input box is recorded in recall list box. So whatever is written in the command input box is recorded in the recall list box, and command input box, all the logo commands are entered in this area. So this is the area from where all the inputs are input into the कंप्यूटर. सो कमांड इनपुट बॉक्स में से ही हम सारे कमांड्स को कंप्यूटर में को देते हैं. सो दीज आर द डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द विंडो चिल्ड्रन. नाउ होम ऑफ द टर्टल. व्हाट इज होम ऑफ द टर्टल? द होम ऑफ द टर्टल मीन्स द फर्स्ट प्लेस और द प्लेस वेयर द टर्टल इज प्रेजेंट व्हेन वी स्टार्ट द प्रोग्राम. तो जब भी हम इस प्रोग्राम को खोलते हैं जो पहला लोकेशन होता है या प्लेस होता है इस टर्टल का, उसको हम होम ऑफ द टर्टल कहते हैं. नाउ दिस इज द स्टार्टिंग पोजीशन ऑफ द टर्टल. ये टर्टल का स्टार्टिंग पोजीशन होता है. फ्रॉम हियर इट कैन मूव इन ऑल द फोर डायरेक्शन, दैट इज फॉरवर्ड, बैकवर्ड, लेफ्ट एंड राइट. द ब्लैंक एरिया वेयर द टर्टल मूव्स is called the field of the turtle. So the blank area where the turtle moves is called the field of the turtle. So all the space which is found in main screen are used for drawing the figure, and all those part is called the field of turtle. तो turtle जहाँ तक पहुँच सकता है, जहाँ जहाँ जा सकता है, उस पूरी एरिया को हम होम ऑफ द टर्टल कहते हैं, या फिर हम उस नहीं सॉरी वी कॉल इट एज फील्ड ऑफ द टर्टल. हम उसको फील्ड ऑफ द टर्टल कहते हैं. तो जो जितनी एरिया में टर्टल मूव कर सकता है या अपने ना वर्क कर सकता है, उसको हम फील्ड ऑफ द टर्टल कहते हैं. नाउ वी हैव अंडरस्टूड ऑल अबाउट द विंडो ऑफ टर्टल, विंडो ऑफ द of logo, children, and I hope you all have understood. Now let us see how to exit from this language or program. So children, if you have your screen open in front of you, firstly there are two ways how you can exit this program. So there are two ways of exiting from the program. So one is you will go to file menu. From file menu you will have a small list of the commands, and from here you can click on the 5 minute time. Okay, so children, exit we can do in two manner. Firstly by going to file menu, children. By going to file menu, and in the file menu we have new, you can see here on the screen, children. We have, one second, we'll make it short. So we have new, we have load, we have save, we have save as, then we have some more options, make it bigger, edit, erase, and then we have exit. So you can exit from here also, or you can exit just by typing BEY, by. If you type by here, children, BYE, by, you will type by and enter, you will exit the logo screen. So आप यहाँ logo screen से exit कर जाओगे. So these are the two ways how you can exit from the logo. So here you can see. So if you want to exit the logo or exiting the logo, you can exit logo in two ways. आप लोगों को से दो तरह से exit हो सकते हैं. Firstly, click on the file menu. In the menu bar you will go to, this is menu bar, and first option is file. When you click on file, you will have list of program. From here you can click and click on exit. फिर उसके बाद हम exit कर जाएंगे. उसके बाद और by or type by in the command input box and press enter key from the keyboard. So these are the two ways how you can exit from this program. So children, this is all for the logo. I hope you all have understood logo. Whatever we studied in this chapter, we have studied about the window and what all features are found in the window. I hope you all have understood, and now will proceed further into the chapter. That is, our next topic is self-evaluation. So children, whatever we have studied under this topic, we are going to recall and find out whether we agree with the statement or not. So firstly, children, I know that logo stands for language of graphic oriented. As we know, children, logo is specially designed for graphics, that is for drawing shapes and figures. It is oriented towards graphics, and this statement is like right, and that is why L for language, O for of, G for graphic, and O for oriented. इसलिए हम इसको language oriented language of graphic oriented कहते हैं. So this statement is true. I know that logo is a programming language. I know that logo is a programming language. So children, as we know, it is a language, computer language, which is used for doing programming. That is why we call it as programming language. So this statement is also true. We agree with this. I fully know that logo screen is divided into two parts, that is main screen and the commander window. So we, of course, we agree and we know that the logo window is divided into two parts. First part is called main screen and the second part is called commander window. First part is called main screen and the second part is called commander window. Now I know that commander window is used to draw. I agree with this statement also. I know that commander window is used to write commands. Of course, children, commander window also has two parts. First part is recall list in box, recall list box, where the commands given in the input box gets recorded, and the second other part is the narrow column, that is called input बॉक्स या फिर कमांड इनपुट बॉक्स, जहाँ पे हम कमांड को वन बाय वन इनपुट करते हैं एंड द सेम कमांड गेट्स स्टोर्ड इन द रिकॉल बॉक्स. सो वी एग्री विद दिस वन ऑल्सो, बट राइटिंग कमांड इज डन इन द input box. Then I know that a triangle on the middle of the main screen is called turtle. We very well know that the triangle which can be seen at the middle of the screen is called turtle. So we agree with this statement also, and turtle is just like a cursor which is used to draw lines or figures. I know that the middle of the logo screen is home of the turtle. The first position which we can see, the first position of the turtle that can be seen on the screen of the computer or the logo program is called the home of the turtle. So children, we all these points we have studied in the chapter and we agree with these points. So children, let us revise. Firstly, logo is a language of graphic oriented. Logo is a programming language. Logo screen is divided into two parts, main screen and the commander window. I know that commander window is used to write commands. So as we know children, the commander window is divided into two parts. First is recall list box and the second one is the command input box. So recall list box is the area where the command typed in the command input box get stored or गेट्स सेव्ड. वहाँ पे जाके एक एक करके हम कमांड इनपुट बॉक्स में एक कमांड एक बार में देते हैं और ये सारे कमांड्स जो होते हैं वो ऊपर वाले बॉक्स में जाके एक लाइन से अरेंज होते रहते हैं. सो इन दिस वे चिल्ड्रन, द कमांड इनपुट बॉक्स is used to type the command, whereas the command recall box is used to record all the commands which are given or written in the command input box. Then I know that a triangle, this triangle means turtle. Turtle is always found at the middle of the मेन स्क्रीन. ये हमेशा मेन स्क्रीन के मिडल में होता है और जब भी हम स्क्रीन खोलते हैं तो वो वहीं पे होता है. दैट इज़ वाई चिल्ड्रन दिस पार्ट ऑफ दिस एरिया वेयर the turtle is found is called home of the turtle. So children, I hope you all have understood the chapter, and whatever we have studied, you will go through the chapter and read and revise it. So children, this is all with the chapter. Now after reading and understanding the chapter, let us do these exercises. So children, जब तक हमें नहीं समझ में आएगा तब तक तो हम एक्सरसाइज कर नहीं सकते, इसलिए पहले हम इसको करके देखते हैं. So children, first question is tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. Dash is the logo turtle. So here is a triangle children. As we know, logo turtle is a triangle. So you will put a tick in front of triangle. This is the logo turtle, and this logo turtle, this triangle stands for logo turtle. That is why, as we know, question mark stands for question mark. None of these हो नहीं सकता because first option is triangle and triangle is the correct answer. So you will put a tick in front of triangle. तो यहाँ पे आप triangle के सामने tick करोगे. This is the correct answer. That is the triangle. This is the correct answer. Triangle means logo turtle. Now logo command are entered in dash box. Logo commands are entered in dash box. Command input, recall list or main screen. Logo commands are entered in dash box. Logo commands are entered in dash box. So logo command is entered in the command input box. Command input box is the area where logo command is entered. Logo command is entered in the command input box. So you will put a tick in front of command input. Pointed end of the turtle is known as head of the turtle. Pointed head of the turtle, yeah, pointed end of the turtle is known as head of the turtle. Now, 4. Starting position of the turtle is known as the home of the turtle. Starting position of the turtle is called home of the turtle. So, home. So, children, starting position yani when you switch on or when you click on MSW logo, you will get a screen. The first position which is found on the screen of this turtle is called the home of the turtle. So children, with this we have come to the end of this video. Please go through the videos, try to understand the concept. We will meet once again in our next video. Till then, thank you and have a nice day ahead.